Today I'm gonna show all of you about my entire construction vehicle. The number of this just for sale and other number of this not for sale. Let me show you the first one is a Huina 580. I just customized with Caterpillar 336D and it's remote control and it's made by Moro. Yes, weighing at 6 kilograms. So cool. This one just for sale. Lip her, but copy brands model 938 wheel excavator. Good one. And now this is a mini excavator Caterpillar, but it's just a copy brand for sale. I just customized it with model 308 E2CR. Okay, and this one just also for sale. Scale in 1/50 scale. And this one is a Caterpillar 320C, also copy brands for sale. And this one really cool and beautiful excavator. It is a Bruder Toys, made by Bruder, model Caterpillar 320 GC, made by ABS Plastic. Good. And this one is a dump truck, WL Toys model 14600, and it's in remote control. Okay, it's so very strong dump truck. And this one is a Bruder mini excavator Caterpillar, okay, made by Bruder Toys, and this one is a copy brand for sale. Let me show you another. These are MAN TGS 1/16 scale, so very large. Okay, you can imagine this, and it can open both doors, right? And this one, these are skinnier, but it's copy brand. It's small. I guess that is a 1/20 scale, but if made by Bruder, it's 1/16 scale. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to click on subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want my video first. Okay, see you next video. I will review with each of this vehicle. Thank you.